Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change location on Bumble. Now let's begin. Right here's the Bumble application that I had installed. Do note that I've already logged into my account. I'm gonna open it right now. Well, as you can see, this is Bumble. And now let's try to change our location. Right here at the bottom left, you'll see something called as profile. Simply click on this button right here. Once you're in the profile page, worry not. Simply go to settings, the buttons at the top right. Click on the gear-like icon right here. And this will open up. Well, there are lots of options. But right now, we simply want to change our location. So let's look at the location tab right here. Here's my current location, and right below it, there's something called as travel. Click on this button right here. Something like this will open up. Let's select use travel mode. And from here, simply select any location of your choice. Here are the multiple locations, simply select it. But do note, for this, you have to be subscribed to Bumble. And only then you can change your location. There are many subscriptions available, choose whichever one you wish. Well guys, that's it. That's how you change your location in Bumble. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.